Tracking view analysis lesson revolves around analyzing your work breakdown structure and the different views that come with it. Let's take a look at how we can use the tracking view analysis forms to analyze our work breakdown structure. Specifically, we'll review the tracking views, both of them, the cost tracking and the effort tracking. We'll go ahead and post some actuals, and then we'll take a look at the tracking views once again. All right, so we're going to take a look at the tracking views within Dynamics AX Project Management and Accounting module here. So I have a project open, it's project 226, and it's called Report Development Phase 3. So if you're a project manager and you want to understand basically how the project's trending, you can go to the Control tab and you can look at the tracking views. So there's two different views here. There's the effort tracking and the cost tracking. And right now we're looking at the cost tracking view, and it's basically showing all the values from a cost perspective. So let's close this down. So I'm going to collapse all, actually I'm going to expand it just to the first level. So you can see that we have 4 different summary tasks. We have the analysis, the design, the construction phase, and then the deployment phase. And basically what it shows in this cost tracking view is what was your originally planned cost, what is the cost at completion right now, and you can see the planned and the cost at complete are the same, and then what is your remaining cost, so basically the remaining amount. You can explode it out to as many levels deep as you want to go, so I'm going to go to my level 2, and I can see now we have more granular tasks. And the analysis task up top here is just a compilation of report discovery and requirement review. And we can see that the report discovery has $3,600 left to spend, while so does the requirement review has $1,800. So, I mean, a couple things that you can do from here is basically mark the task as complete, which will set it to 100% complete. So it will show a cost percent of 100%. It will reduce your remaining cost down to 0. And yeah, basically flag the thing as completed. You can also take a look at any transactions associated with this. And that brings me to the point where we can post transactions, and then you'll see the cost from those posted transactions under the actual cost column. So we'll take a look at that here shortly, but before I go there, I want to look at the effort tracking view as well. This one, from my perspective, I like it a little better just because it's showing me how many hours are left. And I'll just condense the other summary nodes here, and we'll just look at the analysis, and we can see analysis is considered complete if 30 hours are completed. And right now this project has not started, so that's why we haven't seen any effort actually logged to this project. So all we have are our projections. So if we're at the point of starting to track actuals in the system, you can post a journal or use a different business document, and as long as you're coding it to the applicable tasks within the work breakdown structure, you'll start seeing actuals log here. So I have a baked journal. I'm just going to post some hours. So this tab right here, I just have an hours journal open, and on 4/12, we're going to post to activity 3946, which is report discovery, and then we're going to do some requirement review posting as well, where you see the 47 number. The consulting category defaulted in because I picked the activity first, and each activity has a category assigned to it. So you can see that we're going to post 25 hours to 3946, which is the report discovery, and then 10 hours to 47, which is the requirement review. So let's go ahead and post that. All right, so now if I go back to my tracking views, and I'm going to jump out of the tracking view, go to the planning view, and just come right back in, because then it refreshes the data for me. So now if I'm just going to go look at the effort tracking view, and I can see that for report discovery, we have remaining effort of a -5 hours, because the actual effort was 25. So we went over. We're 125% complete here, and then for the requirement review, we're 100% complete right there. But when the PM actually talked to the consultant that's been working on this, find out that there's more requirement review left to be done. So they're actually going to go ahead and talk with the client and see if we can put a change order through, because the project's getting larger than we originally thought. So that's where I'm going to stop here. I just wanted to give you the overview of the effort tracking view and the cost tracking view, and that's where your PMs can take a look and do some analysis. And then with the next demonstration that's coming up here shortly, we'll go in and see how we can reproject our effort and close out different tasks and just manage this information in here.